Assalamu alaikum, good evening, welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. This video is about Dow Jones, Nasdaq, S&P, gold and euro, and of course I will also cover Bitcoin at the end of the video. First, today we will start with euro. Currently euro is trading 21.43. It made high of 21.72 and low of 21.13. It is trading just slightly above from the lows. Let's have a look at resistance and support, then we will assess the trend of the market. After that we will see Dow Jones, Nasdaq and S&P. Current euro resistance stands at 21.90. Euro support stands at 20.80. Currently euro is trading in weak zone, so avoid going for buy. But if euro break 21.90 and manage to sustain above that level for at least 30 to 60 minutes, then expect euro to test around 22.20 and 22.60. Now let's move on to US index. First we will talk about Dow Jones. Today President-elect Joe Biden may stimulus package could be around $2 trillion. I am expecting around 2 trillion or even more. He may give benefits to unemployed Americans, and of course it will be for tax paying Americans. He already tweeted that $600 is not sufficient for Americans and he need at least $2,000 package. So we can assume that it will be at least $2,000 or even more. So let's see what happens when he announces the package. First, let's change the chart to Dow Jones. This is Dow Jones hourly chart. Currently it is trading 31,160. If President-elect announces more than $2 trillion package, then I am expecting another lifetime in Dow Jones. Market can test around 31,300 and 31,500 as well, but all depends what exactly he announced and how much he gives to the tax paying Americans and how much he gives to the small and medium businesses. And of course there should be another clause who are due on rent. I am sure he will also suggest something about tenants. Let's have a look at resistance and support to Dow Jones, then we will assess the trend. Dow Jones support stands at 30,980. Dow Jones resistance at 31,310. Currently Dow Jones is trading in positive zone, and as I have already told you, President-elect may announce stimulus package. So even if you are in sell, I will advise you to place a very strict stop loss. Even if you are in buy, I will again advise you to have a strict stop loss, because announcements are very volatile and market is just coming off from a pandemic and a major recession. So I will advise you to keep a strict stop loss even if you are buy. Now let's move on to Nasdaq. This is Nasdaq chart, currently trading almost $13,000, 13,000 not dollar. It made high around 13,030. Currently Nasdaq is trading 12,990. Let's have a look at resistance and support. Nasdaq resistance stands at 13,170. Nasdaq support stands at 12,880. Currently Nasdaq is in positive zone, so avoid going for sell. Even if you are in buy, I will advise you to place a strict stop loss in market. Now let's move on to S&P 500. This is S&P 500 chart. Currently it is trading 31.18. It made high around 38.26 and low around 38.13. Let's have a look at resistance and support. S&P 500 support stands at 38.02 to 3800. S&P 500 resistance at 38.42. Currently S&P is also in positive zone, so avoid going for sell. All US index are in positive zone, euro in weak zone. It could change if President-elect announce something unusual. Now let's move on to gold. Many people were asking me in comment section that what will happen to gold prices if stimulus package is passed. So it's all depends how much package is there and how much Joe Biden gives to the small businesses and large businesses. If there is a package of more than $2 trillion, then market can expect a bounce. around 1880 or 1890. If there is a package of less than $2 trillion, then you can expect market to go down around 1820 and 1800. Major analysis will be done once president announce what exactly he is giving to the American people. Now let's have a look at resistance and support to gold prices. Gold support stands at $1824. Gold resistance stands at $1860. Currently gold is trading in weak zone, so avoid going for buy. Now let's move on to crude oil. After that we will see Bitcoin. This is crude oil hourly chart. It made high around almost $54. After that it is facing a good profit booking from market. Currently it is trading 52.64. Let's have a look at resistance and support. Crude oil resistance stands at 53.50. Crude oil support stands at 51.80. It is US crude oil, also known as WTI crude oil. So make sure you do not confuse with other crude oil futures. Now let's move on to see the Bitcoin. This is Bitcoin hourly chart. Finally it is making headways again. Currently trading 38,000, almost 38,200. It made high around 38,850. Again market is favoring the buyers, but let's have a look at resistance support. Bitcoin support stands at $36,200. Bitcoin resistance stands at $39,200. Currently Bitcoin is in positive zone, so avoid going for sell. If you have enjoyed this video and if you have find this video useful, please do not forget to press the like button. You can also subscribe the channel to support this channel and get regular updates daily. I usually update twice in a day, one in US session which you are watching, one in Asian session. If you want to watch my Asian session video, you can subscribe my Hindi channel. I have given link in description. Even if you do not understand Hindi, you will be able to understand the level because I write levels in notepad just like I write here. If you want to avail my buy and sell signal, you can send me a message on WhatsApp. I will give you my paid signal details on WhatsApp. If you want to get the regular market updates like major data and major news, you can follow me on Twitter, and you can also follow my Telegram channel. I have given all the links in description. If you have any feedback, if you want to see some other levels, please leave your feedback in comment section. I will see you tomorrow. Till then, take care. Bye bye.